Hello KG2, this is your English teacher again with a new lesson of reading, and today we will read on page number 15 part 2. Let's start. Oh, you can see there are three sentences again with three pictures and very interesting pictures are there. You can see. Let's start reading. The, her at hat, her at hat, is, is, on, on, the, at cat, at cat, the hat is on the cat. The hat is on the cat. The egg, egg. The egg, egg. Egg. Is, in, the pan, pan, the egg is in the pan, the egg is in the pan, the ant, is, on, the cap, cap, the ant is on the cap, the ant is on the cap. That's all for today. For any problem or query, you can contact me on my email address. See you soon. Bye.